If you do a lot of sitting for your day or standing, maybe you're a walker, a jogger, and you're experiencing tight hips or maybe a tender or stiff low back, this practice is going to help you out. If you are new here, my name is Shanika, and this is day 4 in our Sunrise to Sunset series, practices that you can do both in the morning and in the evening. This practice is going to gently open up your hips. We're moving towards a more static held posture towards the end to really melt and let it all go. So let's start in a diamond position, bringing the soles of the feet to touch, placing your hands on your ankles, and we're just gently going to bounce the knees up and down. You can close your eyes or soften the gaze, just taking 3 deep breaths here as the knees bounce to the side. Gently opening the eyes here, and we'll take a few cat-cow. So inhale, pull back on your ankles as you shoot the chest forward, squeeze the shoulder blades, inhale. And exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest, curve in, spread those shoulder blades nice and wide. 2 more. Last one. Inhale, come all the way back up, find a nice tall spine. Take your left hand, grab a hold of your right foot, and reach your right arm all the way back and twist. And switch. So right hand grabs a hold of the left foot, the left ankle, reach the left arm back and twist. A few more times like this. On this one here, we'll reach back with the right hand and hold. And then here, lean to the left as you reach your right arm over to the left. Coming all the way back up, right hand comes to the left foot, reach your left arm back and hold. And then gently lean the body to the right as you reach your left arm up and over to the right. Coming all the way back upright, inhale here, and on the exhale, simply fold forward over your feet. Reach your fingertips. Let the head go. Let's walk all 10 fingertips over towards the left. And to the right. Come back through center and walk yourself all the way back up. We'll be making our way into deer pose from here. So taking your left leg and swinging it behind you. So your right shin is parallel to the side or the top of the mat, depending on which way you're facing. And your back shin is parallel to the side of your mat. Inhale, nice and tall here. Exhale, twist over your right knee and fold down. Bring your forearms to the floor. And while you're here, energetically pull your elbows back towards your hip as the skin on your hip comes forward. Next inhale, gently push all the way up. Lean into your right hand, so leaving your right hand where it is, and then simply bring your left hand behind you. You're internally rotating that left hip forward. So you might be feeling a stretch here along the top of the left quad, or maybe you need to come down just a little bit to feel it a bit more. You can reach your arm up overhead. If you're all the way down, let's gently push ourselves all the way back up. We're going to rotate now, finding a pigeon. So you're going to take your right shin, scooch around, extend your left leg straight out behind you. So you want a nice long line from your knee to your big toe. You also want to make sure your knee is to the outside of your right hip. Glance over your shoulder, make sure your leg is actually behind you. From here, tuck your left toes under, pick up your left knee, so that left leg is nice and strong. Energetically square your hips up to the top of the mat. From here, we're going to find a revolved pigeon. So you can bring your right hand onto your right knee and take your left hand down your left leg. Finding a nice proud chest. Gently lower. Coming down onto your forearms. Again, energetically pull your elbows back towards your hips and then tuck your left toes under and pick your left knee back up. So this is a nice and active pigeon here. Next exhale, untuck the toes, lower the knee, and then just notice how much maybe more open or more comfortable your pigeon feels. I'm going to take a passive hold here for 5 deep breaths. Trying to find space in the shoulders. Take a nice big inhale here. And sigh it out. Gently rise all the way up. Lean your weight into your right hip. Swivel back around. And we're going to repeat all of this on the other side. So we're taking the left foot, left shin in front this time for deer. And again, you can close the gap so your knee can be closer to your right foot if you'd like. Inhale to lengthen here. And then exhale, twist over that left knee, coming down onto your forearms. Energetically pull your elbows back towards your hips. And as you do so, you'll notice the skin of your hips rolls forward. Gently from here, push into your palms. Leave your left hand where it is. Draw it in just a little bit. Reach your right arm up and back. And again, you're looking to internally rotate that right hip forward. So you might need to come down onto your forearms if you're not feeling it up on your palms. Reach that arm over your ear. Gently push up out of this pose. And we're going to find ourselves in that pigeon. So rotate. You're bringing your left shin to the top of the mat. So you want your left knee to the outside of the left hip. Nice long line from your knee to your big toe. Glance over your shoulder. Make sure your right leg is actually behind you. Tuck your right toes under. Pick up your right knee. Leaving your left fingertips on the floor, or you can bring your left hand onto your left knee and reach your right hand down the back of the right leg. Find a nice proud chest. Let's gently lower that right knee to the floor, bringing your forearms to the floor. Pick up your right knee once again and square your hips up to the top of the mat as you energetically pull your elbows back towards your hips. So again, still nice and active. Feeling maybe a slight burn in that right leg, but a nice opening in the left glute. Next exhale, gently lower, untuck the toes, and finding your depth here, holding it for 5 breaths. Taking a nice big inhale here. And sigh it out. Gently push into the palms, rise all the way up. Lean your weight into your left hip. We're going to extend both legs out to the side now, finding a straddle position here. Inhale and exhale, coming down any amount. Another 5 deep breaths here. Next, inhale, gently rise all the way up. Close the shape, close the legs. Find a comfortable cross-legged position. Finding a nice tall spine. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears and down the back. Just allowing the body to settle. Bringing your awareness inside. Noticing the little tingly sensations as they move throughout the body. At this point in our practice, I will read our blessing for the week. If you're not sticking around for the blessing, I do hope you enjoyed the practice. The blessing says, may you embrace your role in God's mission this week, sharing His love wherever He places you. Take a nice big inhale. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears, nice and tight. And exhale, sigh it out. Gently opening the eyes. I do hope that you enjoyed this practice. I hope your hips are happy, and I hope your low back is feeling a little less stiff and a little bit more spacious. As always, if you enjoyed, leave me a comment. Let me know how you got on, and I will see you back here shortly for day 5 in our series.